In this video, you'll learn how to turn off Google Flights alerts so you can stop getting price notifications you no longer need. Maybe you've already booked your trip, your plans have changed, or you're just tired of constant emails and notifications. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step in a clear and simple way. First, you'll want to open Google Flights. You can do this in any web browser by searching for Google Flights or by going directly to the Google Flights page if you've bookmarked it. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used when you originally turned on the price tracking. If you're signed into a different account, you won't see the same tracked routes and it may look like nothing is being monitored. Once Google Flights is open, look toward the top left or the side of the page for the main navigation. Here you'll either see a menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines, or you might see a clear option labeled something like Tracked Flights or Price Tracking. Go ahead and click on that menu or directly on the Tracked Flights section. This area is where Google keeps all the routes and trips you've chosen to follow for price changes. After you open that section, you'll see a list of your tracked routes. Each one usually shows the departure and destination cities, the travel dates, and sometimes the current price or recent price trend. Take a moment to scan through this list to find the specific route whose alerts you want to turn off. If you have several tracked flights, it might help to look carefully at the dates and destinations to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you've tracked similar trips. When you've found the route you no longer want alerts for, look for the option to stop tracking. This is typically shown as a switch or toggle next to track prices or price tracking. If the switch is turned on, it usually appears highlighted or colored. Click that toggle to turn it off. Once you do this, the switch should change appearance to show that tracking is disabled. Turning off this toggle means Google will stop monitoring that flight for price changes and you'll no longer receive alerts or emails about it. If you want to clean things up more thoroughly, you can repeat this process for any other routes you see in your tracked list that you no longer care about. Just work your way down the list, turning off price tracking for each one. When you're done, you can simply close the tracked flight section or leave Google Flights entirely. If at any point in the future you decide you want alerts again, you can go back to a flight search, turn track prices back on for a route, and it will start monitoring it once more. That's all there is to it. You've just turned off Google Flights alerts and taken control over which trip notifications you receive.